This is what the garage door opener looks like after the wheel has been grinded away all the plastic. See all the plastic, white plastic there? It's on the bottom of the cover here. So I'm going to replace that wheel right there. Well, that part is good, but the wheel on the other side. Let me see if I can get a better view for you underneath here. You see all the teeth are grind down. Easy part replacement. Cost me about $7. I did it on the other one already. It was just a matter of time before this side. The other one went. And so we'll go about doing it. Getting started here in the evening time. No drama. This is the wheel from the other side. Its teeth still there, but when it spins around, it's all pretty much gone. Done deal. Okay, we'll have at it with my do-it-yourself handyman card. It's rock and roll. Big TJ, Big Family Home Improvement Services. Getting knitted. So let me tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to replace this wheel right here, the new part. It's basically 3 screws. There's one. The other one is on the other side right there too. And the other one is over here. Right there, number 3. 3 screws. Pull this little pin out. Oh, it's too bright there. Pull this pin out here, holding it. This pin out here. Should lift it right out. Take the chain off from the top. Should be no drama. Chain comes off. Got to loosen the chain tension so that you can pull the chain off the top. This is the cover cap. Let me get up a little higher so you guys can see. Oh yeah. Chain comes off here. These 3 screws that are held right here come out. 1, 2, 3. All right. Lift it out. Place the chain in. I'm gonna mark this point here. Try to make it easy for me when I put it back on. And then hopefully we'll be done in about 20 minutes. All right. First thing you need to do, I should have told you guys at first, we should pull the power plug. Duh. All right. 10-4. I'll do that now. So just pretend that I started the video with pulling the power plug first. Don't attempt this at home unless you're a professional like Big TJ. Oh yeah, this is the replacement parts kit you can get from Amazon. Just find the kit for your particular garage door opener. I have a Craftsman, old school garage door opener, but replacement part. It has everything in it, but this is the part that I'm going to be replacing with a brand new part here, sprocket, spring here. The kit comes with several other parts. It has the worm, the grease that of course you need. Also has tire worm gear and ball bearings and stuff like that. I don't need to replace this part. Looks like that part is still good to go. I'll just add some grease to it. And of course I'll add the grease. Need the grease. It does have instructions, but since I've done this before, I'm not going to use them. Because I'm good like that. Anyway, out for now. Just a quick note. The one screw on this side is a little bit harder to get out because you can't get the driver from the bottom all the way up to it. So you just had to take an adjustable wrench and just kind of do it manually, you know, quarter turn each kind of thing. So here you have the before and after, the old one here, all grinded down on the side, the teeth all grinded down, won't get in the wheel. And the new one, of course, it's all looking good. All right, we're going to replace that pretty easy. All right. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put the grease over the wheels all the way around, liberally all the way around each tooth. Each tooth. Now we got the wheels all greased up, all nice, ready to install. Here's a picture of the finished product. All right, now that it's all done, garage door up. Down. All done. Took me about an hour to do it after all clean up and everything's done. All right, Big Family Home Improvement Services out.